So going back to your development, psychologically, to score a triple hundred in test cricket is huge, and also you've had a few medical problems over the years that you've come back from.
Yeah.
How far do you need to dig in scoring a triple hundred?
Yeah, you have to dig deep, to be honest with you. I faced a lot of challenges back then with my condition. With I couldn't be too physical, exhausted and those sort of things, and then to surpass those challenges, it's not a situation where I plan like, listen, this game I'm gonna look to score, a triple century. Nah, but you take it into stride. You get 100, you look to get 150, and then you try and get another 50 runs. So you try and break it down as simple as possible. And as you progress and you keep going on, you get more wear and tears, and you get mentally tired and those sort of things. So those are the experience I gained. So if I do get there again, I know what to expect, and try and go about it a bit different and so forth. So those are the things I've learned from scoring 2 triple centuries. But it's a tough task. I can tell you that it's not easy, but it's a great achievement.